Hi everyone, my name is Mariana, this is Vegan Señorita, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a full Mexican dinner with dessert included. All vegan keto, all low carb, all plant-based. So let's get started.
Go ahead and take a can of jackfruit, drain it, and rinse it really well. And here are the spices you're going to need. And you're going to need 1 tablespoon of avocado oil in your pan. Turn your stove on and let those spices warm up. Then go ahead and toss in your jackfruit. Then add in 1 teaspoon of liquid smoke. For the enchilada sauce, we're going to need 1/4 of an onion, 1 garlic clove, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of chipotle, and blend that together. Once the jackfruit is crispy and brown like this, I'm going to go ahead and turn off my stove. So this is what the jackfruit looks like once it's been crisping up. It's a really nice, like brownish looking texture. I don't know if you can really see that on camera. But now I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try to see if it's good on all the spices. It really does taste like chicken. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. It's very good. It's super tender. So this is ready to start rolling up into our enchiladas. Into a baking dish, I'm going to fill it with some of my enchilada sauce and just fill it up until it covers it like this. And trust me when I say that nobody likes a dry enchilada, so make sure you put your tortilla directly on the sauce, put in your jackfruit, then roll it up, and you're going to continue doing that with the remaining 4 tortillas. This will make 4 enchiladas. Then go ahead and put your remaining sauce over the enchiladas and just spread it out with a spoon. Now I'm going to use this cashew cheese that I got at Trader Joe's, just like that. For the sopapillas, I cut my tortilla like this, and now I'm going to spread a little bit of vegetable oil right on top to put them in the oven.
I went ahead and preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and I'm going to put in my tortilla chips that are going to be sopapillas, put in my enchiladas to bake. And that way the enchilada cheese gets melted and the sopapillas fry up with that oil on top. By the way, I didn't grow up eating sopapillas, so I have no idea why they're called sopapillas. My husband loves them, my mother-in-law loves them, and I know they're very typical of Tex-Mex restaurants, especially here in Austin. But if you know why they're called sopapillas, enlighten me please with the answer. Comment down below and let me know why they're called sopapillas, because I have no idea. I do know, however, that I've tried them and I absolutely love them. They remind me a lot of a buñuelo, or kind of like, you know, like a donut, but with honey on it. So anyway, this will be in there for 35 minutes and then I'm gonna take it out. Halfway through their cooking process, I'm gonna take out those tortilla chips. Oh, they look nice and crispy. And I'm gonna flip them. And then I'm gonna just add the remaining oil on top, just like that. Just spread it as best as possible. The back of my spoon. And then I'm gonna pop these back into the oven for the remaining of the time until the enchiladas are ready.
Use a keto-friendly sugar, 1/4 cup, and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Mix together. Now take your freshly oven-fried tortillas and go ahead and sprinkle that cinnamon sugar on top of them. And now you have some sopapillas.
For the last 5 minutes, I went ahead and turned on my oven to broil, and I just let the cheese on top of the enchiladas get really nice and golden brown. And this is with broiling the enchiladas for 5 minutes, just really quickly, get that golden color. And check these out. A super awesome big vegan keto enchilada. I topped mine off with avocado, a little bit of vegan sour cream, and a lot of that cashew cheese. Okay, hear this, hear this. I tried making sopapillas, but it turned out to be more like a buñuelo. Come check these out.
Okay. Okay, what kind of enchiladas did you make?
They're vegan keto enchiladas with jackfruit filling.
They look delicious.
Okay.
Let's
I want you to try them to see if you really like them.
Let's see how they taste.
Yeah?
That was really good.
All right. That's how I know they're truly good.
Recommend it.
Okay, now, no, wait, don't leave. Now you have to get a sopapilla.
Okay.
Or, these actually look more like a buñuelo, so.
Okay. I like it.
What do you think?
Very good dessert.
There you go.
Perfect.
Super low carb dessert that's even good for the non-low carb people. And there you have it. A vegan keto Mexican inspired dinner that's sure to make you salivate. I hope you make it. Please let me know in the comments down below if you did, or if you have any feedback about this recipe or any other recipes on my channel. I'd really like to hear from you. And please go ahead and like this video if you like this recipe. I'm Mariana, this is Vegan Señorita, and I'll see you in the next video.